Hi friends, welcome to Carlos M Kitchen. Today I am bringing an easy shortcut to make chicken with mole poblano in less than an hour. My friend Ricky brought me that gift from Mexico. That's an artisanal paste to make the mole, and I'm going to fix it to my taste. So subscribe to my channel before you forget for more delicious recipes. That other jar or glass is what you are more likely to find in or at your grocery store. But if you follow my steps, you can also make a delicious mole poblano at home. I'm going to start with the chicken. And I am using a homemade chicken broth, but you can use a box or the cubes. And I got 2 pounds or 1 kilo of boneless and skinless chicken thighs. And I trimmed some of the fat. And I will only add salt to taste and a few black peppercorns to the broth. I bring the broth to a boil and then add the chicken. By the way, you can cook the chicken 1 or a few days ahead of time and reserve it until the day you're going to make the mole. Bring it back to a boil over halfway and simmer for 15 to 20 minutes and you are done with the chicken. Taste it, it should be very flavorful, very full of flavor. The mole is very simple. I'm starting with 1 julienne small onion, 1 chile ancho. That chile is not spicy at all, but has a lot of flavor. And all you need to do is remove the seeds and cut it into smaller pieces, and 2 garlic cloves degermed. I also must tell you that you have to use a neutral or flavorless vegetable oil because the star of this dish is the mole, not the oil. I will also add 2 Roma tomatoes cut in small cubes. When the oil is hot, add the onions and the garlic. I want the onions to be translucent. Then I add the chopped chile ancho. The heat is in low temperature and I'm gonna saute it until it is tender. That takes about 3 minutes on my stove. Please make sure it doesn't burn because it will turn bitter. When they are soft, add the tomatoes. The idea here is for the tomatoes to release their juice and help soften even more the other ingredients. So I cover the pan until they are ready. Turn off the heat and allow the sofrito to cool off. Meanwhile, I'm going to get the other ingredients ready. I have here a cup of soda crackers and about 2 tablespoons of toasted almonds. In case I need them, I also have a few black peppercorns, ground cinnamon, and some dry oregano. I will also have ready a few squares of that artisanal dark Mexican chocolate. When I'm making the mole, I am tasting and correcting all the time. I am always looking for balance. Lastly, I have some toasted sesame seeds for garnishing. I transfer the sofrito to the stick blender container and I will start to add the other ingredients. First the crackers and the almonds and some chicken broth. Blend well. Once everything is integrated, I will add the mole paste. I will blend some more and add more chicken broth as needed. I tasted it and it needed more oregano, cinnamon, and black pepper. I put the mole in a deep saucepan to make my job easier and raise the temperature to medium heat. I'm tasting and correcting once more and it needs more chocolate, which will melt at that temperature. but I have to stir a lot so it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan and reduce to your liking. The mole will darken once it starts to cool down. Let me know in the comments if you think I explained well this recipe. Now all I have to do is taste it with the chicken, check out the videos at the right of the screen, and take a look at the more than 200 videos in my channel. Chaito, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. Bye.